a week or so ago. Got it shipped in from out east. In less than 22 hours, they got everything going so he can go on to his next air show. And here he is in the air grade. Hammerhead small turn diving back into our show center.
This air show pilot's working ever so hard to keep this performance right in front of you. 6,000 feet long and about 3,000 feet deep. They have to keep their airline maneuvers within